HCF by Euclid's division algorithm. Dear students, let's learn how to find the HCF of any two numbers by Euclid's division algorithm. Now, Euclid's division algorithm is based on Euclid's division lemma. So, what is the basic difference between the Euclid's division lemma and Euclid's division algorithm? Actually, in the algorithm we are using lemma, but we are using lemma again and again to reach the solution, to get the solution. What is the solution here? The HCF of two numbers. So let's see how to find the HCF by Euclid's division algorithm. Okay, so we'll try to understand this by an example. First we will write down what is the Euclid's division lemma. It says A equals to B Q plus R, where R lies between 0 and B. B is the divisor. Okay, so let's take one example here. Suppose we have to find the HCF of 850 and 625. Suppose we have to find the HCF of 850 and 625 by Euclid's division algorithm. Now, first thing which we have to see here, what will be the divisor and what will be the dividend. In our case, this lemma, this is the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. So quotient and remainder are the later part. First we have A and B. So A should be greater than B. Okay, so here in our case 850 is greater. Okay, so it will be the dividend and 625 will be the divisor. Clear? Let's divide. Now we know that 625 ones are 625 and 625 twos are 1250. So we will have to go by ones are. So what we get here? 625. Now after doing this step, we got the remainder. The remainder will be 225, which is not 0. As R is not 0, in this case we will continue the lemma. That's why we call it algorithm. We will continue the lemma by making this remainder as new divisor and this old divisor as the dividend. So this 625 will come down here as the dividend, and this 225 will become the divisor. Now 225 ones are 225 and 225 twos are 450. So it is possible. So we will do by 2. So what we get here? 450. Is it very clear? Now subtract. What we will get here? 5, then 12 minus 5, 7 and 1, 175. Now again R is not 0. R is not 0 means continue. R is not 0 means continue the division. So what will happen now? 175 will become the divisor and this 225, which was previous divisor, will become the dividend. 225 will become the dividend. Now 175 twos will be some 350, which is greater than, so we will go by ones are. Okay, so what we get here? 175. Subtract. Okay, what will get here? 50. Okay, only 50. Now again R is not 0. R is not 0 means continue the division. So this remainder will become the divisor and this previous divisor will become the dividend. 175 will come here as the dividend. Now 50 ones are 50, 50 twos are 100 and 53s are 150. 4s are will not work here, so 3s are. So we get here 150. So what will be the remainder? Subtraction answer, it will be 25. Okay, now again as R is not 0, so we will have to continue the division. This 50, the previous divisor, will become the dividend. Okay, and we know 25 twos are 50. So here it will become 50, and on subtraction what we'll get here? We'll get here 0. Okay, 0 means R is 0. R is 0. We have to stop the division now because nothing is left. So what we will do, for the step where remainder is 0, in that step whatever is the divisor, okay, whatever is the divisor, that will become the HCF. So this 25 will be the HCF of 850 and 625. So what we can write here, HCF of 850 and 625 is equals to 25. Is it very clear? What is the beauty of these videos? That you can pause, you can rewind, you can forward, and you can understand in a better way. Okay? Take care.